Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, yeah, it's going down. Making mouth water, saucy talk of the town. I know you're hungry, can't fight it, you will lose your breath. Quickie meals for your pleasure, here's another chef. Subscribe to the channel, Saucy, you be boss. Without further ado, I'm introducing sauce.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make candied yams. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 medium yams. We're going to slice them into 1/2 inch pieces. 1 cup of white sugar, 1 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of ground cloves, 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg, 1/2 cup of butter, and 1 cup of water. You want to preheat your oven to 365 degrees. Okay, to a baking dish, you want to add your 1 cup of water. Then all we're going to do is layer our yams. We're going to make sure they're layered evenly. Okay, once you're done with that, we're going to set it to the side. Next, in a pan over medium-low heat, we're going to add our butter and let it melt. Once your butter has melted, you want to add in your brown sugar. And you're just going to mix it and let it dissolve. Next, you want to add in your white sugar. And you want to mix and let that dissolve also. Now you can add in your vanilla extract, your cloves, your nutmeg, and also your cinnamon. And mix until well combined. You can turn off your heat also. Now you want to pour your sauce evenly over top of your yams. Now you want to wrap your baking dish tightly with a piece of aluminum foil. Now we're going to place our candied yams into the oven at 365 degrees and allow them to cook for 30 minutes. Okay guys, after 30 minutes, all you want to do is remove your candied yams, and we're just going to mix them around some. Then you're going to increase your heat from 365 to 375. And we're going to put our aluminum foil back on and place them back into the oven for 20 minutes. Okay guys, our candied yams are now done. I just wanted to show you how tender they are and see how easily they break apart. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana the Saucy Chef.